So what don't you have to do when you buy a new home? You don't have to remodel it. I'll share a personal anecdote. My wife and I bought a home built in 1960 here in Austin a couple years ago. And in the first year, we had to do the foundation, we had to do the plumbing, we had to do the roof, and now our HVAC is giving us trouble. So it's just been all the money we saved by getting an older home has pretty quickly been eaten up. So there are definitely some advantages to buying new construction, avoiding things like kitchen remodels that could cost $70,000, avoiding things like HVAC and roof replacements, and instead getting the modern finishes that you want, having your house really feel customized. Having a lot of those components be under warranty. So there's not only a cost competitiveness in terms of buying a new home right now because of the way things are priced, but also a maintenance advantage in terms of cost for the price of owning a home in the long term.